7 living room decorating ideas coming up next. Hey my friends, it's Elizabeth with Abundant Apartment Lifestyles, and on today's episode we're going to do 7 decorating ideas for your living room. If you need interior design ideas, today's the episode to watch. But first, if you find this video helpful, smash that like button, click subscribe, and check out our playlist down below for other living room ideas, interior decorating ideas to make your apartment fabulous. Let's dive into our first tip. Our first tip is going to be have beautiful flowers in your living room. It will add a pop of color for them. And particularly, I love Rose Forever New York. And thank you so much, Rose Forever New York, for sponsoring today's video. Having beautiful roses, beautiful flowers in your living room is dramatically going to change the way your interior design is in your living room space. These beautiful roses last for 1 year. This bouquet I have sensational, absolutely sensational to put into my apartment living room, feel luxurious, but also I don't have to water them. Rose Forever New York designs luxurious flower bouquets in our hand-picked exquisite rose that last for an entire year. They only use natural oils to preserve the roses, and the bouquets are arranged by a professional artisan. They've significantly lowered the price compared to their competitors while still maintaining the best quality for preserved roses. They also come in the beautiful velvet box that are round or square shaped, offering 3 different sizes of 9, 16, or 36 pieces per box. They have a big palette of shades, including gold, black, and gray, and special colors are created through the natural process of pigmentation to keep those rich, intense shades. There is a 15% off coupon code listed in the description link below for you to go ahead and get your order. There's free delivery above $149 for your beautiful Rose Forever New York. My bouquet is the intense round fuchsia color. Our second living room decorating ideas is more of a functional one of having a basket right before your living room or somewhere in the living room space that can be concealed to hold stuff like junk mail that comes in or items that you just don't want cluttering your living room. I don't know about you, but I personally find I'm inundated with things coming in and I need to have a place to sort and get rid of items that are coming in my house, like junk mail or junk things that just need to go somewhere so I can look at it later to either donate it, give it away, or even to trash it. If I need to trash junk items, I obviously do that right away. But your second living room decorating idea is behind one of your chairs or in an inconspicuous place right before your living room. Have a basket. You can literally it could even be a laundry basket to take into wherever the space needs to go, into your kitchen, into your living room, wherever in your apartment that you can go ahead and take that basket to get rid of, to donate, to trash, to what needs to go in its home, in your apartment home. Having a designated basket can inconspicuously hidden within your living room or near your living room is going to dramatically cut down on clutter, junkiness, and make it more streamlined in your living room so you can focus in on the living room design ideas. Your third living room decorating idea is going to be checking out 2 websites, which I will link down below. One is going to be Pinterest, and the second is going to be on Wayfair. I will have an affiliate Wayfair link below and the Pinterest link in the description for you to go check out. Wayfair has mood boards or storyboards that you can go look if you have a particular style you like and particular colors you like. I would encourage you start saving a folder in your email and email yourself that particular folder, different links, different decorating ideas, different living room concepts. Maybe you want a very formal living room in your apartment. Maybe you want a very casual living room in your apartment. There are dramatically different ways that you can decorate and do interior design in your apartment living room. So make sure that you're collecting ideas. I do recommend Wayfair because they do have discounts and sales frequently running. And Pinterest, you can also pull from a lot of different sources to cultivate and collect and curate different ideas for your particular living room that feel most comfortable. For me, for example, I designed my living room because I love pink tones, pink with golds, and that's why Rose Forever was great in terms of being able to start with this and then pull from different design ideas from Wayfair and from Pinterest. Tip number 4 for decorating ideas for your living room and interior design for your living room space is a good couch. make the investment in a good couch for you. Whatever theme that you do pull from Pinterest, from Wayfair, from wherever. If you want a very formal living room or a very relaxed, comfortable man cave type living room, figuring out what kind of couch you're gonna get, because that's gonna be the anchor for the rest of the pieces that you pick to pull from for your decorating ideas in your living room. It does not have to be expensive having a nice couch, but picking out a piece that you can use that is comfortable, that you actually want to live in your living room. I frequently see one of the hacks and things that are not super good about living room design is making sofas super uncomfortable that you don't even want to sit in or entertain in. Make sure you pick out a couch or a sofa that pulls in, that you actually want to have friends come over, family come over, or even if you don't want friends or family coming over, maybe that's the case, of where you can personally relax on and feel comfortable, even if it's formal. Even if it's a formal space, you can still make it comfortable by checking out different textures, patterns, things like that, to see based on reviews as well on Wayfair and other type websites, if that's something that fits in well with what you want to have within your living room, and making sure that it's a comfortable couch that also is going to be something that withstands the test of time, so you're not repurchasing a couch every couple of years, but you can get a really, really nice sofa or couch for your living room. Tip number 5 for your living room decorating ideas is figuring out surfaces that are easy to clean. Either you're gonna be cleaning it or you're gonna hire someone else to clean it. And one of the best, most interesting things about having a living room is making sure you can focus in on the interior design and not dust, stains, things like that. If you're gonna get a sofa, get one that has the stain resistant component on it, where if you spill something or a guest spills something, it can easily wipe up. If you have pets, making sure that maybe you're not getting a velvet type item or an item that can cling to like your sofas and your seats. If you have dogs or cats, if you have pets, being mindful of what type of surfaces would make the most sense. For example, we have a dog, and not having glass tables, because the dog chronically used to, and we got rid of it, would hit their head on the glass table. So making sure that the actual textures and patterns and things like that fit with your lifestyle. Do you want one that's easy to clean, or do you like one that's more formal, that takes more cleaning, that you take pride in actually cleaning? Or do you have, maybe you're a doctor and you're chronically on call, you don't have time to do that, you hire someone to do that for you, so making it something that's simple and convenient. Figuring out the textures, patterns that fit well. I do encourage, along that same point for tip number 5 with your decorating ideas, is if you do have pets, cats or dogs, making sure that you're getting things that it's gonna show dog hair and cat hair. If you have darker surfaces, if you have lighter surfaces that may conceal the pet hair and animal hair better than, say, a darker type surface. Tip number 6 for your living room decorating ideas is having a rug. I think rugs completely change what a living room looks like. When you have a different rug anchoring with a beautiful couch, with a rug, with your interior design, it's gonna dramatically change the place, your entire space in your living room. Even if your living room already is carpeted, putting a beautiful staple rug over that will enhance the color, will enhance the design for your living room, and it's very, very simple to do. And tip number 7 is coffee tables and side tables. If you are looking to save some money, this will be a component you probably want to focus in on. I would make more of an investment in a sofa or a couch for my decorating ideas, as opposed to coffee tables or side tables. Everyone has their own opinion, but you frequently can see sales items at different times of year for, like on Wayfair, for coffee tables and side tables. Those are areas that you could save on or scrimp on with sales if you're looking to be budget friendly with your decorating ideas. The coffee table and the side tables are very, very simple to, you can either find it used, you can go to Goodwill, but also there's fabulous sales going on online, particularly during the holiday season. So if you're near Labor Day, Memorial Day, July 4th, lots of furniture places are heavily discounting coffee tables and side tables. So I would check that out if you're looking to get pieces for coffee tables and side tables. Check out those websites, because there's frequently sales on them during major holiday times where you can switch out your interior design. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you click subscribe, and check out down below my other interior decorating videos that we do have for making your apartment beautiful, loving, nurturing, cozy, all of those wonderful things. Those are in the description link below. And also a special thank you to Rose Forever New York, listed down in the description link below. Order 1, order 2, order 3 of these beautiful forever roses. They do last a full year and are simply luxurious. I love them. I love them in my apartment space to feel luxurious and comfortable too. It just adds a home touch to it. I look forward to seeing you guys again next time. Check you later. Bye guys, make it a powerful day.